You done?
No. Yay!
Did you see he reached for the black one?
Yeah.
Yay! Good job.
Some songs require flat.
He all points afterwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, молодец, молодец.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay, Malcolm. Yay. Yay, you got the black keys on. Yay! Yay! Encore, encore.
That's
That
so
was
pretty.
beautiful.
Wow.
Yay! Yay! That was beautiful, Malcolm.
That garbage in the bag doesn't look really good, Larry.
Well, choose different angles, cinematographer. Yay!
Hi, ha! Digga, digga.
Yay!
Yay! Every day he's getting better and better at
Wouldn't it be
it.
interesting if somehow, like, why
He is already writing his own
it's
melodies.
impossible, you know? But if we took all the times that he's gone over there and hit a few notes, and then gone back, if it actually composed like a whole song altogether, you know? That was interesting.
Welcome, I think the piano is over.
Yay! Yay! And look, I can spin these. Okay. And I can hit the balloon. Good job. Wow. That's a good throw. You see his face. He kicked it too.